Welcome back to Legendary Machine, where we dive into the most thrilling machines shaping the future of automotive performance. Today we're taking a deep look at the 2026 Porsche 911 Turbo, Porsche's latest evolution of a car that has never stopped reinventing itself. This isn't just another update, it's a statement of how far engineering, aerodynamics, and driving emotion can be pushed when tradition and innovation collide. The moment you see the 2026 Turbo S, you know you're looking at something unmistakably Porsche, yet sharper and more purposeful than ever. The silhouette remains classic, a smooth roofline, muscular rear haunches, but the details are where things get wild. At the front, the redesigned matrix-LED headlights sit lower and more aggressive, giving the Turbo S a deeper, more focused glare. The bumper intakes are larger, carved with aerodynamic channels that don't just look menacing but actively feed the expanded intercoolers. Porsche has refined every surface so air moves over, under, and through the body with maximum efficiency. Even the hood lines are more sculpted, guiding airflow like invisible rails over the car's front section. Down the sides, the Turbo S carries its iconic wide-body stance, but the contours are more defined, almost chiseled. The side intakes have been reshaped to maximize cooling flow, and the flush door handles streamline the car's form at high speeds. The wheel options for 2026 push the car's identity even further, with staggered center locking alloys that expose massive carbon ceramic rotors and yellow or optional black oak calipers. These wheels aren't just for show. Every angle, every opening, every curve has been refined for function. The rear of the 2026 model is where Porsche fans will notice the biggest character shift. The adaptive rear wing is larger, widening under load for more stability. The rear light bar now blends into the fenders with a cleaner, more futuristic look, and the quad exhausts are set deeper within a redesigned diffuser that clearly means business. It's a familiar shape, but now sharper, louder in design language, and more unapologetically performance-driven. And speaking of performance, here this is where the Turbo S continues to defy physics. For 2026, Porsche has squeezed even more power out of its 3.8-liter twin-turbo flat-six, with upgraded turbochargers, a revised intake system, and smarter EQ tuning. The Turbo S now pushes out an estimated 660 horsepower and over 600 pound-feet of torque. That's supercar territory wrapped in an everyday usable package. 0 to 60 happens in about 2.4 seconds. Yes, you heard that right, up and the launch control hits with the kind of force that feels like it bends time around you. All-wheel drive remains a key part of the Turbo S identity, but its calibration has been updated to shift power more intelligently. Under hard acceleration, the system pushes to work rearward faster than before, giving the car a more dynamic and engaging feel. Through corners, the torque vectoring responds instantly to driver inputs, making the car feel planted yet agile. On a twisty road, the Turbo S behaves like a much smaller machine, carving through turns with the confidence of a car that knows exactly what it wants to do. The 8-speed PDK gearbox has received incremental improvements as shifts are now nearly seamless, instant when pushing hard, and smooth when cruising. Combined with the adaptive suspension system, the Turbo S moves from comfortable Grand Tourer to razor-sharp track weapon with a single button press. Porsche's engineers have created a car that can seriously intimidate on a circuit while still being comfortable enough for daily driving. Inside, the 2026 Turbo S retains its premium yet driver-focused personality. The cabin is wrapped in high-quality materials: leather, Alcantara, carbon fiber, and aluminum. The driving position remains near perfect, with deeply bolstered seats and visibility that allows you to read the car's corners easily. The updated digital gauge cluster gives clearer performance data, and the center touchscreen is more responsive with refined menu navigation. Porsche hasn't overloaded the interior with gimmicks. Everything you touch feels engineered for precision, and everything you see fits a purpose. It's a cockpit that respects tradition but embraces modern tech where it improves the driving experience. The 2026 Porsche 911 Turbo S isn't just faster or sharper, it's the next refinement of a legend. It keeps everything enthusiasts love about the 911, its shape, its heritage, its unmistakable feel, and pushes it another step into the future. Power, precision, usability, and soul all packaged into one machine.